The 2026 BMW Z1 is here, and it's rewriting the rules of what a modern roadster can be. Nearly 4 decades after the original Z1 stunned the world with its vertical sliding doors and experimental spirit, BMW returns with a bold reinterpretation that fuses heritage with the future. At first glance, the silhouette is unmistakably Z, low-slung, wide-hipped, agile. The front fascia wears a sharper evolution of BMW's kidney grille, slimmer, more angular, flanked by laser-thin LED matrix headlights that pulse alive as you approach. Air sculpting along the flanks guides both airflow and your eyes, emphasizing a form that's been tuned by the wind. And yes, the iconic vertical sliding doors are back, only this time, they're sleeker, quicker, and fully integrated into the car's smart access system. Just a swipe or voice command, and they glide down like magic. At the rear, the Z1 tapers into a muscular, high-tech finish. A continuous OLED light bar dances with animation during unlocking and braking, while active aero elements rise at speed to enhance downforce and efficiency. The exhausts are gone, because this Z1 is fully electric. Inside, the cockpit is designed like a precision instrument. 2 sport bucket seats with integrated headrests and contrast stitching hug you tight, floating over a carbon composite tub. There's no clutter, only a curved OLED display that stretches from behind the wheel across to the center, seamlessly combining digital gauges with infotainment. BMW's iDrive 9 OS brings voice control, haptic feedback, and AI-powered suggestions that adapt to your driving style. The materials are as forward-thinking as the design. Sustainable microfiber suede wraps the dash and door cards, while polished aluminum and open-pore ash would create a contrast of old-world craftsmanship and future minimalism. Ambient lighting adjusts not just by mood but by time of day, subtly shifting to create a cocooned atmosphere for night drives or open-top cruising. Underneath, the 2026 Z1 rides on BMW's new E-Class EV platform. It delivers dual-motor all-wheel drive, with up to 530 horsepower and instant torque that rockets the car from 0 to 60 in just under 3.5 seconds. Adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, and a near-perfect weight distribution give the Z1 agility that honors its roadster legacy, only now, it's silent, surgically precise, and breathtakingly fast. Range? Over 350 miles on a single charge, with ultra-fast charging capabilities that bring it back to 80% in just 15 minutes. Whether you're carving up a mountain pass or taking a midnight ride through the city, the Z1 blends raw emotion with digital precision like no roadster before it. This isn't just a car. It's a signal. The BMW Z1 is back, and it's driving straight into the future.